It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hi there, my name's Adam, and this is my 1977 VW kit car. The kit car's based on a 1968 Volkswagen Beetle chassis. The body's made from reinforced fiberglass. The engine is a Subaru EA82 1.8 litre. The car was originally 1600 air-cooled, but we have converted it to a Subaru just for better fuel economy, reliability and power. The car is pretty light. It's ranging around the 780 kilo mark. The fiberglass bodies on these cars were built by Imbessa, I think. I can't say the name properly, but they were built in England around in the 70s, late 70s. There's only a few of these in Australia that are actually running, and I think I've got the best one in Australia. The cool thing about these cars is when you build them, you can pretty much do what you want with them. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, thanks for watching.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!